Wiltshire, England. Caterham race cars take their marks for the K-Series Challenge. The K-Series is a super light model weighing only 1,100 pounds. Their small frames are built for speed, going from 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds, and topping out at 155 miles per hour. But such raw power leads to frequent wipeouts. And one is about to turn catastrophic. Car 66, Paul Whitford, looks to pass a competitor. But when he heads low on the turn, the other car cuts him off and clips his tire. He launches into a barrel and slams the wall at 90 miles per hour. Just feet away, another car spins out and barely avoids skidding into Paul's path. Thanks to his roll cage, Paul survives the terrifying crash. But his prized Caterham is a mangled wreck. These tiny cars come with big risks. Fortunately, this monster collision didn't end in major tragedy.